Assalamu alaikum dear student, how are you all? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. I am Nasima Akter, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal, English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear student, today I am going to take a science class for class 7 student. Student, our today's topic is chapter 13 and we will also discuss creative question answer of this chapter. So dear student, let us see today's topic. Our today's topic is chapter 13. The name of our chapter is environment and pollution, and this is lecture number 21, and I will give you SW. Our SW number will be 18 number SW. And in your science book, this chapter is here, page number 149 page. We will start from lesson 1 and we will discuss creative question answer number 1. This is 160 number page. So dear student, let us start today's class. This is chapter number 13, environment and pollution. Lesson number 1, environmental pollution. With the progress of civilization, environment around us is changing. People are using the environment in various ways to meet their necessities. Nature or human activities or their combined effect may bring changes in the constituent of the environment, and the environmental balance is lost. As a result, life of human beings, plants and other animals are affected. Discomfort prevails in the environment for organisms. We term this condition as environmental pollution. Starting from minute microbe to all other organisms including human beings live in this environment of the earth. No part of environment is free from pollution. Human beings are not polluting their own environment only. Life of all other organisms and their environment are also affected. Living of plants and animals including human beings is disturbed by environmental pollution. Why does pollution occur? Few harmful elements are polluting our environment directly or indirectly. We call them pollutants. Smoke emitting from the chimneys of different factories, thermal electric powerhouse and from the vehicles, insecticides, chemical fertilizers used in the field, varieties of waste materials, polythene, plastic, etc. are the example of pollutants. These pollutants pollute different factors of environment in various ways. Now lesson 2, causes of pollutions of environmental elements. Environment is composed of mainly two components, living and non-living components. You know, all plants and animals constitute the living factor. Non-living elements include soil, water, air and all other non-living materials on earth. Due to pollution, both living and non-living factors are affected. As a result, all organisms including human are threatened in the environment. The pollution of the world is increasing gradually. So, increased quantities of food, shelter and transport etc. are needed. To enhance the size of cultivable land and building their houses, people are destroying forests. As a result of increased carbon dioxide gas, temperature of the earth is increasing. Besides, CFC gas, chlorofluorocarbon from aerosol or refrigerator is damaging the ozone layer. For the increased human population, besides food and shelter, a large number of other materials are needed. So they build up various industries. Waste from these industries pollute environment. In this way, environment of the earth is polluted. In the following lessons, you will learn about three main factors of environment: soil, water and air. Lesson 3 and 4, soil pollution. Soil is an essential factor of our living. Various crops that we take as food grow in soil. Not only for food, we are also depend on soil for other essential things needed for living, such as shelter, clothing, medicines, etc. are the products of plants. We are polluting soil in various ways. As a result, soil is losing its fertility. Now, causes and sources of soil pollution. The garbage and wastes that we throw, bacteria help them to decay. As a result, these wastes get mixed up with the soil easily. Besides, nowadays we use such things that do not rot or get petrified in the soil, such as glasses, polythene, plastic, etc. They hamper normal growth of plants. Besides these materials, we pollute soil in various ways. Among these pollutants, there are different forms of garbage, fertilizers, fungicides used in agricultural land and industrial wastes, etc. Now lesson 5 and 6, pollution of water. At present, there is scarcity of safe drinking water in the world. Life is not possible without water. Pollution of water is a subject to ponder over seriously. Water is polluted in various ways. It is the man who is responsible for pollution of water. It is not only our problem, it is a serious global problem. Now, causes and sources of water pollution. Water may be polluted by various means. Human activities are the main cause among other causes of water pollution. Due to urbanization and industrialization, sewage and industrial wastes have increased. As a result, water is being polluted. Besides, for increased agricultural production, various insecticides and chemical fertilizers are used. They move from fields to the sea through river. They also mix up with underground water and pollute it. You might have seen that bamboo, cane and jute plants are emerged in ponds. Cows, buffaloes and goats are washed in ponds. Some unsafe latrines created over different water bodies are responsible for water pollution. Water may also be polluted due to some natural causes. You have heard about flood. During flood, excreta of domestic animal and birds along with human feces mix up with water and pollute it. The leftover foods, fields, wastes, the decomposed bodies of animal, various degradable substances used in domestic work are thrown here and there. These waste products get mixed with the water of pond, lake and rivers. Student, now we will discuss our creative question, 1 number creative question. And here is a stem. You can see here is a picture. This is a river picture, and this is industrial wastage emitted from industry, and this is oil from water from vessel, and this is dyed fish and aquatic insect. There is insects, dyed fish and aquatic insects. And the A number question is, what is acid rain? And B number question, why is plastic harmful for soil? Explain. C number question, what are the problems faced by the animals shown in the stem? Explain. D number is, what steps should be taken to balance the environment as shown in the stem? Creative answer 1, this is our first answer, A number answer. Our question was, what is acid rain? Answer is, acid rain is rain or any other form of precipitation that is unusually acidic. It has harmful effects on plants, aquatic animals and infrastructure. Acid rain is mostly caused by human emissions of sulfur and nitrogen compounds which react in the atmosphere to produce acids. B number question was, why is plastic harmful for soil? Explain. Answer is, plastic does not mix up with soil easily. As a result, the fertility of the soil decreases. This is a great threat to every organism. Plastic takes 800 years to decompose in soil. Now C number answer. Question was, what are the problems faced by the animals shown in the stem? Explain. Answer is, fishes and aquatic insects shown in the above stem are facing water pollution. Water may be polluted by various means. Human activities are the most important cause among other causes of water pollution. Due to urbanization and industrialization, sewage and industrial wastes have increased. These wastes drain out to different water bodies. These wastes fall into the river and ultimately reach the sea. To increase agricultural products, various insecticides and chemical fertilizers are used. They move from fields to the sea through river. They also mix up with underground water and pollute it. Cows, buffaloes and goats are washed in ponds. Some unsafe latrines are created over different water bodies are responsible for water pollution. In polluted water, fish and other aquatic organisms cannot survive. As a result, balance of the aquatic environment is disturbed. Now D number answer. D number question was, what steps should be taken to balance the environment as shown in the stem? Answer is, polluted water is harmful for living beings. The balance of the aquatic environment is disturbed due to water pollution. So the following steps must be taken in order to balance aquatic environment. First point is, garbage must not be dumped in water. 2 number, excretion of body wastes must not be done near water bodies. 3 number, care must be taken so that decomposed bodies of dead organisms do not mix with water. 4 number point is, use of plastic and polythene should be stopped. 5 number point is, industrial waste pollutes water, so industrial waste must be decontaminated before releasing it into water. Also, Care must be taken so that none of these harmful substances can mix with the water. 6 number point is excessive use of insecticides and chemical fertilizers must be stopped. Organic fertilizers should be used instead of chemical ones. 7 number point is precautions must be taken so that oil does not leak from tanks of vessels into the water of seas and rivers. People should be made aware of the harmful effects of pollution and the process of conservation of environment. So dear student, I have finished today's topic. Now I will give you SW. Our today's SW number is 18 number SW. This is 18 number SW, and your SW will be this creative question and answer. Here is only one creative question, and the sub number is A, B and C. So this is your SW. This is, I am repeating your SW. This is 18 number SW, and your SW will be creative question and answer 1 number A, B and C. So dear student, I hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practice it at home and do your SN SW in your SW copy, and you will get 2.5 marks for each SW. So dear student, stay home and we'll see you again in our next class. Till then, Assalamu alaikum. Thank you.